Hi fans, I welcome every one of you into this action boxing stream, live stream. Let's see AAJ boxing here is National Stadium, Nigeria, West Africa, and the time here is 10:32 a.m. Nigeria time. Between Muhammad Ali and Red and other green trunk and deep red edge. Nice one, Muhammad Ali. I love that. Very good. I see that body. Good. Good of you. Try to finish your job. Very good, boy. Wow. I love this combination from Muhammad Ali. Very good of you. Calm down. Well done, boys. Samuel is stepping in for his second round. Okay. Home-based boxer is still waiting for his second round. You can see the boy in green with yellow strip strong. He's going to face Farid in blue and red LGA. A deliver punch from Farid. I see that. Wow, I love that job. Finish your job, why are you running around? Very good. Try to bring to us, Farid. Thank you for joining us, please. If you are new to this channel as usual, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the bell, let us know where you are watching us. Thanks so much. The sparring between Farid and the home boxer, Farid in blue shirt, nice one Farid. The home boxer in green trunks and red everlasting box. Hey. Let me use the opportunity to make a big shout out to our community grower who are supporting us with money. Thanks so much, every one of you, and who have given us prayer, motivation words, encouragement, correction. Thanks so much. The Almighty God continues blessing on each and every one of you. Yes, let's go there between Farid and home-based boxer. Very good. Let me know who do you think is going to carry the glory between Farid and home-based boxer. Very good. Wow, I see good installation from home-based boxer. Wow, I love that jabbing. Well done, boy. It's amazing sparring from both sides. Akonu, yes, I got your name now. Akonu, green front, and Farid is blue. Nice one. Very good. Well done, boys. Great of you. Farid, well done. Akonu, well done. Beautiful boxing. So amazing. We have Samuel here in blue corner with red shirt. And also we have Muhammad Ali. That's our Nigerian Muhammad Ali. You can see him clearly. Far away. So for their second round, I told you earlier that this knockout stage, when you lose, step out, when you win, stay aside for the next one. Muhammad Ali in red and black headgear, while somewhere in blue headgear, both are from the same boxing club. good by force boxing club here in Lagos, Nigeria. Although Muhammad Ali is an experienced boxer, but low weight, while Samuel with high weight and low experience. Nice cutting, and I like that hook, but he doesn't deliver very well. Very good, Muhammad. You can see the experience tells between Muhammad Ali and Samuel. Higher weight and higher experience. Yes, the referee is asking me whether I can continue. Let's go there. They are not the same weight and they are not the same experience. Very good, Mehmet. Very good, Mehmet. Good Samuel. I love that. The Charleston jabs. Very good, Mehmet David. Wow. Very good. Wow, I love the retaliation from Samuel. Picture of you at the match to say hi to you, the match. Bayan baby, thanks so much at Bayan Abayo. Thanks so much. Happy to see you this morning. India always at thanks so much at Smoke 420. Thank you, not same weight. Yes, they are not the same weight, but not the same experience. Somewhere with high weight, with low experience, while Muhammad Ali with low weight and much experience. Yes. Thanks so much. Alura Salam, not same weight. Yes, I've told you before. John, thank you so much for your emoji. God bless you. Don't forget that your message is from Smoke 420. Yes, we have Israel with a red shirt with blue denim glove and another home-based boxer here. I don't know his name yet. They are about to handshake. Let's see. Israel have potential, very smart movement, and a good boxer. Let's see how it's going to be. Yeah. Israel. So the message of the sparring between Israel in red and another home boxer with red Everlast glove. Nice one. Good body and head movement from Israel. Yeah, move back. Thanks so much. A lot of emojis here. Thanks. I see your message again.